Greetings everyone from GSL. Today is a really exciting day. I'm looking forward to training a group of teachers and administrators from Uswa College. They're here, to get a one-day training on teaching methodology, and I'm looking forward to a great session up ahead. Thank you very much. Catch you soon.
For example, I'm serving at NAML. I generally take IELTS students and they have motivation to go for study abroad, so they're very much interested to speak English. But when I go to any college schools, I have trained for 6 good years in different colleges also. So they are not very much interested to speak English, unlike they are into the Froggles maybe or Roots or Beacon or such.
So, first time I am teaching 7th class.
Okay.
So, I used to try to speak in English.
पढ़ रहे हो तो सब पढ़ रहे हैं।
Lovely.
हमने कहानियाँ भी सुनाई हैं, हमने किस्से भी सुनाए, लतीफ़े भी सुनाए, इकट्ठे। लेकिन at the time of study,
All right. Okay. so you're a fine example of Mr. Chips here.
The excitement of the day comes to an end. Although a weekend, it was a wonderful session training teachers and administrators from Uswa College. Please stay in touch for more information on these training sessions that we conduct periodically at GSL Islamabad and see how it benefits everyone. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Mubarak Ali Khan. I hope you're enjoying good health. Respected listeners, I'm here to give my closing remarks on the ceremony we had today. We had been developing teachers of Uswa College Islamabad. We had been helping them throughout the day for almost 5 to 6 hours upon their teaching methodologies, upon communication skills, how can they boost the language of their intermediate or maybe their junior students. Mr. Frank was kind enough giving his time. And a special thank to Mr. Sayyid Muhammad Naveed, who is Vice Principal of the college. I wish you good luck in your future endeavors, and if you need GSL anywhere, we are just a call away. God bless you and God bless Pakistan.